Because now we're going to be talking to you about OXY BOOST. OXY BOOST is another one of the products from Extreme Clean, but this is not your average stain remover because it's not just about removing stains from clothes.
No.
It's about removing stains from everything.
Everything. And what we were talking about just a minute ago with that fresh, we're going to start over here with the mold and mildew from inside of the washer, just like I was saying before. This is where that odor starts from.
Mm-hmm. So this is a part of the washing machine I didn't even know existed.
This is the agitator. This is where you pour that, the softener. Mm-hmm. Yeah, always a softener. And I don't think I've ever used that on mine because I usually use fabric sheets. I don't think I've ever used fabric softener. Okay. And I don't know how this even builds up. This isn't mine. I think something's starting to grow on this. This is why it's even a great maintenance for that. Take a look at this.
Did you get this at TSC too? Was this something right?
No. It could have been, no. No. Take a look at that. You see how that's bubbling up on there?
I don't even want to look at it.
Take a look at that. It's bubbling up because the oxygen is actually working to fight all of that bacteria off.
Okay.
That's huge.
But look how easy that is.
Look at that gunk.
And that's something that's been literally growing.
Growing.
For probably months, probably a few months.
Get it
and
gone.
within seconds, it's completely gone. Now, this kind of cleaner, you were getting both of these bottles, but this is a little bit different than what we saw over there with the odor neutralizer.
Yes, because this is another concentrate. It is. This one 32-ounce bottle will make up to 10 12-ounce bottles.
So you're looking at $2.50 per bottle over here.
Yes.
$24.99 will get this home to you. $12.49 on 2 Easy Pays will get you 10 bottles of the OXY BOOST. And we know that you're going to be using this on your clothes. If you're a messy eater like I am, I always find myself with stains, oil stains on my clothes. Popcorn, oil stains are the worst. But you can either pre-treat your clothes or you can put it right on. Are we always going to pre-treat it?
You can I definitely, if it's a stubborn stain, you're going to pre-treat it. And we're going to get into the stubborn stain right after this video. And I'm going to show you a before and after. But take a look at that. That's another agitator. That's real bad. That's mold. And then wait till they show the inside of that agitator. That's just the bottom. That's not even, that's the smaller deal here. Look at the bigger picture. That's what the inside of your agitator looks like.
Ooh.
I know we probably have people getting up and running to their laundry right now
agitated just looking at that agitator.
It's absolutely, look at that, brand new again. Renew it, refresh.
That's how simple it can be if you just have the right products. I mean, you don't like cleaning. You hate cleaning, but maybe it's because you're just not using the right products. This brand new product line here at TSC is your opportunity to try something new, and we do give you 30 days to try it and return it if you're not satisfied with it. Okay, let's talk about these deep stains here.
Stubborn stains aren't called stubborn stains for a reason. You got ketchup and soy sauce there. This takes a little finessing. What we did was sprayed it, and then we put a couple capfuls into about a half gallon of water, and take a look at the results. It's absolutely clean.
White. Half gallon, by the way, would be 1.6 liters.
1.6 liters there. Right, roughly 1.6 liters. Take a look at that shirt. The stains are gone. That's exactly what you want. And we just let it, like you said, we're going to pre-treat it, and then you're throwing it in your wash. It's going to brighten your whites. It's going to brighten your colors as well, without fading or bleaching or harming.
Yeah, there's no bleach in here.
No bleach in here. Let's look at this. So this is the OXY BOOST. Right down the side. You don't see any type of fading, any type of bleaching. This is bleach. Dum-dum. Bleach is not good for everything. Ooh. Take a look at this.
Plus it stinks.
It does. It's so strong. And the faster it dries, the faster you're going to see how bad bleach can truly be. Take a look at that. It's almost starting to look like a rust stain. It's absolutely bad. It's horrible.
Well, it's not good for your clothes. It's ruining your clothes. If you're trying to use bleach to get out stains because you feel that stain is ruining your clothes, the bleach is going to ruin your clothes even more.
Yeah, and I have a 3-month-old baby, so I can't use bleach.
Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. And we use OXY BOOST because we can, like you said, it's a concentrate, but we really never use it we don't use it as a concentrate. We use it diluted down in a bottle. My baby has a reflex a little bit, and it stains her clothes. So we just, as soon as it happens, we take it off her, spray it, and let it sit.
You have 3, right?
3, yes. 13, 6, and 3. You like making me say
You
that.
really spread them out, didn't you?
Yeah, 6 years is, you know, everybody was like, if you have 2, you might as well have 3. And then I was like, well, it doesn't really go together.
No, I've never said that to anyone.
But I love my kids, and they're probably at home watching right now. Hi, kids.
Hi, kids. How's it going? Yeah, I mean, if you have kids, then you know that there's always a mess. It's always hard to keep the house clean. My wife and children went away for a couple of days. My wife had a girls' weekend, and the kids went up to the in-laws. And I was amazed at how easy it was to keep the house clean when it was just me there. I mean, there was no mess to clean up. As soon as they get back, it's constant cleaning. You just feel like you're always cleaning. But really, when there's stains around the house, it makes me feel uncomfortable.
It is.
But you don't have to feel uncomfortable when you have the Oxy Boost here. How does it actually work? It's the oxygen?
Yes, it's the oxygen. And I love in that video, you can see how it's an animated video, but that's what happens. The oxygen breaks it up, and it gets it off. Now, that's just showing the pre-treat, and then it's soaked, and then we threw it in and washed it, got it out. It comes out clean.
Oh, that's incredible.
And there it is. You see that? The oxygen attacks the stain at a molecular level, if we want to be scientific, breaks it up, and separates it from the clothes.
That's incredible.
That's it.
All right, now we're going to watch the rest of this video here just so you can see the inside of that, that washing
washer's
machine.
bad.
You know what?
And that causes very bad smell.
It's the scary things that you don't even know are there that really make you think twice. I bet you everyone is going to go open up their grease trap above their oven, and they're going to open up their
Please do.
their clothes washer.
Absolutely, please do.
I know we have less than a minute, but let's talk quickly just about how this can work, not only on clothes, not only on fabrics.
This is permanent marker.
On any surface, yeah.
Permanent marker. Take a look at this. Let that sit. Something this stubborn, it's not always going to come easy, but take a look. Look at how fast it broke that down.
See, that's not supposed to happen.
That is not a magic marker or a washable marker. That's a permanent marker.
It just turned the permanent marker into not so permanent marker.
It's gone.
But $24, it's not so permanent anymore.
It's not permanent at all.
This is the Oxy Boost for you. Remember, this bottle that you're getting for $24.99, this is the concentrate. So you can actually make 10 bottles out of that one bottle. Just incredible technology, incredible, like we said, science that's going into this that will allow you to do things that really have just been a pain for you in the past.